Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a really common but often misunderstood issue on many GM vehicles, especially Buicks, the dreaded C0561 error code. If you've plugged in a scanner and seen this code, you probably also noticed your ABS and traction control lights are on, and the system is disabled. It's a frustrating problem, but don't worry. We're going to break it down. So, what exactly is C0561? The official description is System Disabled Information Stored. Now, that sounds incredibly vague, right? It's not pointing to a specific broken part. Instead, think of C0561 as a messenger code. It's the Electronic Brake Control Module, or EBCM, telling you, hey, I've shut down the ABS and traction control for a reason, but that reason is stored in a different module. This is a key point, especially on these GM platforms. The C0561 code in the brake module is almost always a secondary code. It's triggered by a primary fault code in another major system, most often the engine control module, or ECM. But it could also be the body control module, BCM, or even the transmission control module. TCM, why does this happen? Well, your ABS and traction control systems are incredibly complex. They need accurate information from the engine, transmission, and other systems to work safely. For example, to control wheel slip, the traction control system needs to know engine RPM, throttle position, and vehicle speed. If the ECM has a problem and can't provide reliable data, maybe because of a faulty sensor, the EBCM can't do its job properly. As a safety precaution, it disables itself and sets the C0561 code. So, the first rule when you see a C0561 is, don't just focus on the brake system. You need to scan all the modules in the car. A basic code reader that only checks the engine won't cut it. You need a more advanced, bidirectional scan tool that can communicate with the EBCM, TCM, and all the other computers on board. When you perform a full system scan, you'll likely find another code, a U code or a P code, stored in a different module. For instance, you might find a P0121 for a throttle position sensor issue in the EC, or a U01004 for a loss of communication with the engine module. That other code is your real problem. The C0561 is just the symptom. Let's walk through a typical diagnostic scenario. You scan the car and find C0561 in the EBCM. You then scan the ECM and find a code for a faulty wheel speed sensor. Aha! The wheel speed sensor sends data to both the engine and brake modules. Since the EBCM is getting bad data from that sensor, it shuts down and logs C0561. The solution isn't to replace the EBCM, it's to diagnose and replace the faulty wheel speed sensor. Once you fix that primary issue and clear the codes from all modules, the C0561 will disappear, and your ABS and traction control will come back online. Another common culprit is a problem with the vehicle's communication network, the CAN bus. If one module can't talk to another, it can trigger a cascade of communication codes. So, to sum it all up, if you have a Buick or another GM vehicle with a C0561 code, your first step is a full system diagnostic scan. Ignore the C0561 for a moment and look for the other trouble codes stored in other modules. That's where your true diagnostic path begins. Fix the primary fault, clear all the codes, and you'll solve the problem. Trying to chase the C0561 directly will just lead you down a rabbit hole. I hope this helps you understand this confusing code a little better. It's all about knowing that C0561 is a signpost, not the destination. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more deep dives into car diagnostics. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.